Portugal's coast, NATO allies and top defense tech companies are teaming up for Repmus 2025. The exercise puts together uncrewed systems and AI defense tools in real-life missions at sea.
Obviously, you will see not only maritime systems, but airborne systems as well. The exercise has increased greatly. We have increased from 100 drones to almost 300 drones.
We choose to install here what we call a free technology zone with more than 1,000 square nautical miles, where we can conduct operational experimentation.
We're here with the Royal Navy to work with other NATO units around this area with the unmanned crewed systems and to learn more stuff for the Navy itself.
I'm Steph Murchison and I'm here as the trials manager for the Thales above water systems participation at Repmus. My responsibility is to look after the trials team, look after the logistics of the event, liaise with all of our partners and the Portuguese Navy. So this is Virtual Ship London. This is operations room where we're working with the Tactical Combat Management System. We're tasking the uncrewed assets to go and search for potential enemy vessels, carry out patrols in areas where we think there might be hostile activity. So we're trying to look for the bad guys basically and display that and relay that back to the commanders in the ops room.
We recorded the data, we have the flight path data, the video, we get the video feedback as well from UAV, and then we can see how the video beam is aimed at the target on the sea surface, and you can see how the path of the helicopter goes, of the UAV goes. So we have the UAV moving, the camera heading moving, and the zoom in, and it stays focused on the UAV, and that can be shown, demonstrated with the data we collected here.
Unfortunately, we are learning in the hardest of the ways. After the aggression of Russia to Ukraine, we have seen a ramp up of the use of unmanned vehicles.
We've controlled Schiebel for 2 or 3 days since we've been here. We're also controlling it at the moment now. It's gone very well, so we've got a camera on board. You can see in our ops room at the moment, and we can see a good picture of the area. And then when it drops certain things, if it's dropping sonar buoys, then that gets marked in our system and we can plot it, and then we can dynamically task it via the 4817 messages.
To actually get out here and have the real vehicle, the real system, and try them in an operational environment has been incredibly useful, and to show those capabilities off in front of the Royal Navy, get some of the Royal Navy people to be interacting with the system and seeing how these things would work in real life has been a really, really great opportunity for us.
We have to ramp up the capacities within the alliance, and we cannot make it by our own military, so the industry plays a key role there. And Thales is a well-known and quite sound partner in this area as well.
Repmus is not just an exercise, it's part of NATO's wider effort to rearm Europe with the next generation of technology, and Thales being one of the main industrial partners.